If you're running out of space on your iPhone and you would prefer not to pay for more iCloud storage and you just want to free up some space on your iPhone, an easy way to be able to do that is using shared albums, and a trick that allows you to store all of the photos and videos on your iPhone or a big chunk of them onto a shared album, and it won't count towards your iCloud or your iPhone storage. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, the first thing to note here is that it says iCloud shared albums do not count against your personal iCloud storage quota. They're in a separate bucket that Apple just manages and keeps, so they don't count that against your iCloud. However, one thing to keep in mind is that shared albums are reduced in resolution. The photos and videos will degrade in terms of resolution, but if you're okay with that, and I would recommend doing this for a subset of your photos and videos, I'll show you how to do it. Now, open up the Photos app on your iPhone, and then for me, I usually tap on the filter icon at the top right, tap on Filter, and then filter for, let's say, favorites or photos, or another option is to tap on View Options and show screenshots, and then tap on Filter and filter just for screenshots. So it's completely up to you what you want to put in that shared album. Essentially, we're going to offload it to these shared albums. This is great for screenshots because you don't really care if they're lower resolution. Now, tap the select button at the top right, and I'm going to just take my finger and drag it all the way across and down, and tap the share button at the bottom left, and then I'm going to tap add to shared album. On here, I'm going to create a new shared album that I want to just set as my screenshots. So after it's done downloading these and essentially ready to put those in a shared album, I'll show you how to do it. It will download all of them, and then you can see add to shared album. At the bottom, shared album, I'm going to tap on new shared album at the top. And then I'm just going to name this screenshots and tap create. Now I've added all of the screenshots on my iPhone to that shared album. And as we talked about before, this takes up space in iCloud, but not your iCloud, not your personal iCloud. It's just a separate bucket that you don't have to pay for. Apple just manages that. And now on the library of your iPhone, you can tap select, and you can go through all of these. Again, select all of them, and then tap the trash can icon, and then tap delete. Now I kind of want to keep these on my phone, so I'm not going to show you, but let's use, for instance, this first photo at the top left. So let's tap on it and delete it, and I'll show you that it still shows up in that shared album. Let's tap on collections here at the bottom left, and then tap on shared albums at the top, and then tap on screenshots or whatever shared album you created. On here, you can see there is that photo, that screenshot of me and my brother and my mom is still there in that shared album. I can always tap on that and then tap on the three dots at the top right. And then I can choose to copy this if I wanted to copy it and paste it somewhere else. Or I can tap on share at the bottom left, and then just scroll down and choose Save Image if I wanted to re-download that to my iPhone. But essentially what I've done is I've chosen a lot of photos and videos. I've offloaded those to a shared album that doesn't hit my quota for my iCloud or my iPhone storage, and then just delete them off of your iPhone. A pretty cool trick. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.